Hello, I'm Tom Gryphon. I'm with ILoca Services. I've been with ILoca for over 16 years selling semi-trailers. One of the semi-trailers that we feature and that we're very proud of is our CIMC Vanguard Reefer trailers. The Vanguard Reefer trailers are designed specifically to have a higher thermal efficiency than our competitors. One of the ways they do this is these trailers are assembled at the factory, but they're prefabricated separately. So the walls, floors, the ceilings are put together, but they also have control over the foaming process so that there's no hot spots in the trailer. So rather than filling the walls with foam and you get voids where you get hot and cold spots, these trailers are 100% thermally efficient, and that emphasis is put into not making the cooling unit work as hard, not wasting as much fuel, and guaranteeing that you've got your fresh product inside. Let me show you some of the features of the Vanguard Reefer. So one of the features, in addition to the thermal efficiency of the walls and the floors and the ceilings, is the triple door seal on the back door. This is very important because this is where you're going to lose a lot of your cooling, and this is one of the areas that our manufacturer emphasizes and our competitors kind of lack. If these seals get damaged, there's triple redundancy. But more importantly is a tight seal is going to keep your refrigeration product cold and always fresh. Inside the trailer, we spec them with either heavy-duty duct floors or flat floors, depending on what the operation is. These trailers have 18,000-pound rated duct floors. That's the heavy-duty version. Normally it's 16,000 pounds. They're also serrated so that there's traction when forklifts are going in and out of the trailer itself. The scuff of the trailer versus any kind of aluminum product that gets damaged very easily. This is Versatex. It's actually fused to the wall. It's very easy to repair. It's very durable to traffic. In the event that the wall or the stuff gets damaged or cut, there's an adhesive tape that can be fused to the surface of it and make the patch very easy and quick. So it's very easy to fix as well. We always will spec our trailers with things that people want. So 2 rows of galvanized E-tracks, so it gives you a lot of cargo securement devices. And being done at the factory, it is recessed into the wall and it's fastened to the seat post so that you know that these things are going to hold up to the kind of wear and tear they should give them. These trailers can be accessorized any way somebody chooses. We do order these trailers from the factory with aluminum rims, tire inflation system, as that's a very important feature for most people. They want to make sure that the tires don't go flat. They don't want to rely on drivers to have to make sure the tires aren't flat. And this guarantees not only that they're inflated, but they're also balanced, so you get even wear and tear. The aluminum rims obviously add a little bit of lightweightness to it. And then the other thing that we put on the trailers is we always install an exterior rub rail. Reefer trailers are extremely easy to damage, and they're also very expensive to fix. So this is at least some kind of a barrier to protect the wall of the trailer from getting damaged when these things are getting moved around and banged into things. And the trailers come from the factory without a cooling unit on it. You don't know what customers are going to want. You don't know what VIN number you're going to end up giving them. So we can install a cooling unit of your choice. We work both with Carrier as well as Thermo King. We have very good relationships with them. It's really a matter of choice of what kind of product you're hauling.